Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel of daily tech news and reviews. So let's talk about OnePlus latest products. Till the last year, OnePlus only had one smartphone released, which is their main smartphone series. Soon they will add 3 new models in that series. Yes, I am talking about the OnePlus 9 series. Now last year OnePlus announced their Nord series, which is mid-range oriented series. And this year we will get the successor to the last year's OnePlus Nord. Currently we are calling it OnePlus Nord 2, and recently we have some leaks about this handset. So, this smartphone is said to come with MediaTek's flagship Dimensity 1200 SoC. Now we all know that all the previous smartphones from OnePlus have always used Qualcomm chipset, but this time OnePlus is considering MediaTek SoC as well. This is an attempt to cut down the manufacturing cost of the Nord 2, and this way OnePlus is planning to achieve best performance in the lowest possible cost, but as Dimensity 1200 are good. So, this SoC is based on a 6nm process. Its configuration includes 8 cores. The main one has Cortex-A78 which operates at 3 GHz. Additionally 3 more Cortex-A78 cores with a clock speed frequency of 2.6 GHz, and 4 energy-efficient Cortex-A55 cores with a clock speed frequency of 2 GHz are used here. This processor also supports 5G dual SIM, dual standby, which is a feature that is not very handy currently, but in the future it's very useful. So overall it's a powerful SoC, but if you compare it with Qualcomm's flagship SoC, then it surely falls behind, but if this chip is offered at right price it will definitely work for me. The OnePlus Nord 2 could retain a similar price as the Nord when it launches later this year. OnePlus Nord 2 should launch in the second quarter of this year, probably on May. Apart from this there's not much about the OnePlus Nord 2 for now, but we will have its specifications very soon, so stay updated. But before we continue, if you somehow like what you see here, subscribe to the channel, and click that bell icon to get you updated to all my tech news and reviews. Now let's get back to the video. And regarding OnePlus 9 Pro, we have some recent leaks say that it will gonna have that iconic sandstone finish, which was there in the first OnePlus smartphone. It will come in 3 different colors, which are stellar black, forest green, and morning mist. There will be 120Hz refresh rate, quad camera setup, flagship SoC Snapdragon 888, 5G support, 65 watts dash charging, 45 watt wireless charging, and official IP rating. It is expected the price around $700 to $800 US. March 23rd is the said launch date. So, what prices are right for the OnePlus 9 Pro and the OnePlus Nord 2? So guys, what do you think about it? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, and if you somehow like this video, subscribe to the channel will definitely great reward for me, and as always, I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.